All right, physical AI is officially here. We're looking at 3 companies building that future and the investment case behind them.
So, here's the plan. We'll kick things off with a big picture, then dive into each company's specific role.
AI is literally breaking out of our screens. It's now learning to move, build, and even transport things.
So what is physical AI? Well, it's this mashup of batteries, motors, and huge computation. Let's start with the brains. Okay, so NVIDIA. Don't think of them as just a chip company. They're more like the power company for all of AI.
Now check out this number. Global spending on AI infrastructure, it's projected to rocket up by 566%.
And guess who's capturing all that growth? Yep, NVIDIA. They've got over 90% of the AI compute market.
And that dominance comes from one thing: reliability. For companies like Tesla, stable software isn't just nice, it's everything.
So what happens when this AI power takes to the skies? Well, that's where Archer Aviation comes in. And this is Midnight, their flagship aircraft. Think of it as the quiet, super-safe future of city travel.
The design is brilliant. It's got 12 motors for insane redundancy, and it's 100 times quieter than a helicopter.
But how do you build these things at scale? Well, they're teaming up with auto giant Stellantis for that.
All right, let's bring it back to the ground. Tesla isn't really selling cars. They're building a massive, shared AI.
And here's the real game changer. They're aiming to slash ride-sharing costs by almost 90%. Just imagine that.
So, how do they even do that? By controlling literally everything, from their own chips to wild new battery tech.
But believe it or not, the cars are just step one. That same AI is now going into something much bigger.
Yeah, the ambition here is just massive. Musk thinks the robot business will make the car business look tiny.
The whole idea behind Optimus is to use their existing AI to build a cheap, general-purpose robot for any job. Okay, before we connect all the dots on the investment thesis, just a quick but very important disclaimer for you.
So, the core thesis is this. Don't see these as 3 random companies. They're interconnected pillars of this new AI era.
So why does any of this matter from an investment angle?
The robotaxi market alone could be a $10 trillion opportunity.
Which brings us to the final question. As AI enters our physical world, what does this new architecture of autonomy really mean for all of us?